everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you love breakfast like I love breakfast, and if you want an exciting way to start off your morning, I'm going to show you how to make some Huevos Rancheros. And I really love it because I really love the ingredients that go into it, and they're really simple, not difficult at all. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So the holiday season is finally over, and I really hope everybody had a good time with your family and friends. But here we are embarking on 2026, and I really pray that everybody has a safe new year. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a very delicious and yet simple salsa, and I'm going to go ahead and chop half an onion. And I love onions so much. It's always that base flavor that you use to really build up the flavor in all of your recipes. And of course, garlic makes everything taste better, so I'm going to go ahead and chop 2 garlic cloves. I want to add a smoky flavor to the salsa, so I'm going to go ahead and mince around 3 to 4 chipotle chilies in adobo. And I really love this because it really adds a depth of flavor that can take your salsa to a whole other level. And just so you know, to make this recipe, you're going to need about 4 different pans. So I'm going to start making the salsa. So in the first pan, I'm going to heat up some olive oil over medium heat. And I'm going to go ahead and saute those chopped onions, and I'm going to saute them for around 3 to 4 minutes. And now I'm ready to add the chopped garlic, and I'm going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're really going to smell those flavors come together. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Now I like to drain the juice, but if you like to keep it, then you can go right ahead, along with the chipotle chilies in adobo. Now I'm ready to season with some sea salt and some black pepper. So at the very end, I'm going to go ahead and chop around 2 tablespoons of some cilantro, but if you don't like cilantro, go ahead and use some parsley. And I'm just going to add it to the salsa dish, and I'm going to add the juice of a fresh lime. And just give it a good stir, and then you want to take it off the heat, cover it up, and just set it to the side. So I've already drained and rinsed a can of black beans, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to a saucepan. And now I'm going to take some of that salsa and add around 3 tablespoons to the black beans. And stir and let that simmer over medium heat. And I'm just going to quickly season with some sea salt and black pepper. Give it a good stir. And I'm just going to mash it a couple of times with a potato masher, but I'm not going to overdo it. Now that's done, and I'm going to set that to the side and now get started on the huevos for the rancheros. I've already warmed up a pan of a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and crack around 3 eggs into the pan, and I'm going to cook them slowly so that the whites can set and that the yolks are perfectly runny. So my eggs are pretty much done, and I'm going to take them off the heat, cover it up with a plate, and set it to the side so they can steam and continue to cook. Okay, now at the very end, I'm going to warm up a pan of vegetable oil and I'm going to lightly cook my corn tortillas until they're golden brown on both sides. Okay, so now it's time to put everything together. So I'm going to use the corn tortilla as the foundation and I'm going to top it with the black bean and the salsa mixture. And now I'm ready to add the egg, and that egg is perfectly cooked, by the way. And really at this point you can add whatever toppings that you like. I'm going to add some more of that salsa, and I have some queso fresco cheese. And you can use some hot sauce or, pretty much anything your heart desires. So let me just say, this Huevos Rancheros is packed with so many delicious flavors, and it's a great way to start your morning. But we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and share it with everybody that you know. Follow me on my new channel, you guys. It's April Time here on YouTube, trying to build that one up. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.